NSD Electricals and Automation, manufacturer, contractor, supplier and services. We deal in industrial and domestic electrical goods and solutions. We have wires, cables, LED bulbs, floodlight, fan, geyser, immersion rod, room heater, switch socket, concealed, slim, Diwali bulbs and solar inverter supply and installation services. We are manufacturing 50-watt bulbs, and along with that we repair bulbs with warranty. Concealed. We manufacture floodlights also. Portable solar inverter with 4 years warranty. Bright your day with NSD LED lights. Workshop at Ramphal Chowk, Dwarka, Delhi. For further details contact 8076547161.